We're in Salt Lake City, the Marriott Suite Hotel. Do we have a key card?
I don't know.
How did I lose both of them?
Are we surprised?
Bro, where the fuck is this key card? We'll be back to you after this sponsored ad.
Yeah.
This video is brought to you by Red Bull.
Okay.
Cut.
What does Red Bull do?
No, they only gave us 15 seconds. That's all we have time for.
Oh, shit.
We found the taquitos. I mean,
they were never missing that.
Hi, Miss Wonka?
Well,
Yes.
Room service, we have some tandoori for you and stuff. May I come in?
Yes,
we
please.
have room service, and this is what we're eating. Oh, sick. You think
They gave us leftovers.
just a napkin? They said they have a community microwave in the lobby.
So L, floor L.
Yeah.
L for lobby.
L for what we're taking by microwaving these taquitos.
Do you know Ben? Bent over. We're taking the stairs.
I've never seen anyone do this. This is so funny. Our viewers are gonna love this. Was that a Skittle?
Yeah, I was hoping it was an M&M. It crunched. You have my phone. You have your phone. I'm just wondering where the microwave is at. The lobby in the gift shop? Okay. Is the gift shop open right now? Okay, perfect. Thank you.
Hi.
We need plates. Are we allowed back here?
Oh, look, right there.
Southeast chicken, extra chewy taquitos. And as you see, there's nowhere on there that says microwave instructions. Like not a single spot on there that says microwave. They have like this little like pull tab thing, just like that, open. As you can see, they already look pretty cooked. So you just open it by pulling like that. You know, because we did defrost them a little bit, they are a little. How many do you want?
At least one.
Okay.
You wanna fill the width of the plate completely with
Yes.
2 on the sides, like thus.
I'd like to think of it more as a life raft, but
Life wrap. For your
1,
standard
2,
8 by
3,
10
4, 5,
plate,
6, 7, 8, 9.
you can fit 9 southeastern chewy taquitos.
You do want to make sure you are doing a complete square, otherwise it just doesn't turn out right.
We're using a 1100 watt microwave.
There's a 1-year manufacturer warranty on it.
Yeah, if you have a 900 watt microwave, it'll still work. You just gotta cook it for a little longer.
Yeah. Okay. My immediate instinct is to do a minute and see where that gets us. So 3 minutes is what I put it on. Do you just press the buttons? And what I'm gonna do though is when we get to 1.5 minutes, I'm gonna open the microwave, flip the taquitos over and around. That way we get thorough cook through. And I'm also gonna take the ones on the inside and put them more towards the outside. Because microwaves are not perfect. You know, nobody is, nothing is. Sorry, Mom. Yeah, so as you see, our time is at 1 minute and 39 seconds. Okay. So they're already like kind of oozing out, like. Okay, yeah. Again, just move the log cabin. Okay. And we're actually only gonna cook them for another 30 seconds. Yeah, so. You ever had bubbly? It's
No.
like non-alcoholic LaCroix. Alright, so after a long time and some serious consideration, you can tell they're done by like pressing on them. And this one's not done. It's okay, I'll eat that one. All of the rest are done though. That was weird that only this one didn't get done. So maybe just for future
But you only
reference.
touched that one.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If you would like to,
Now I can't eat any of those because you touched.
if you would like to, you can fill this singular one that's slightly cold.
yeah, that one's slightly cold in the middle.
You know, clean up after yourself. You know, just because they're hotel workers
Yeah, just throw it behind there. Yeah.
doesn't mean they're slaves.
Monday.
Okay. Really nice hotel.
Yeah. Really nice. Look at the light. Alright, yeah, we'll take the stairs.
Hey. Do you have your phone?
Yeah.
They're really good if you want one.
How many have you eaten?
4.
They're good? Yeah.
Hey.
You have the key card?
Yeah.
I knocked, but
Nobody answered.
there you go.
Major success. Taquitos were made. Tummies were satisfied. Your girlfriend was not fulfilled.
What?